So let's get started. So imagine that you're practicing yoga and just breathe slowly and you do the long leg stay and it's kind of hard, but you must be calm, be patient because the hurtness can go away. Breathe in slowly and take a piece of rest. So when you're tired of practicing yoga and then you can have a rest. Like everything needs a rest. When you study and then you do so much homework and do the house chores, you always need the rest. Because if you don't, you will lie on the bed sleeping until you're late to school. So if you keep practicing yoga, well, it might turn you into something so good that your action, something, will just be so good and it will be inspiring more and more. Well, boys can do yoga too, but if they're hurt, they must be calm and they must be brave. Some boys just lie down like this and they are hurt. They never do yoga again. So it is not the kind of brave things. And also, it just can do something just cannot have work, you cannot exercise. They can turn very weak. And so, we must be brave to do yoga. Even girls and boys can do yoga too. So don't just say, oh, the boys can do yoga, the girls cannot. Or just say, the girls can go do yoga, boys never. Well, boys can do the same what girls can do and girls can do what boys do. And so remember that so that keep practicing yoga and when you're tired, just have a little rest and done. So I think this is the end of my video. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.